phone. Chat to that a good credit score. Every girl pushing on the women don't know she not tell her she a freak coming. What on? Jamie. I everywhere me go. I could have in a 3-piece suit. When I check your juvie fashion, everybody wear clean. What on? Style of one and look back. Juvie fashion don't go no back. Body and shatter. Got them about that time there. Many man cologne on the one backers. She a do anything the Jimmy choose. She simply do say. Tell her man do this. Nobody move bitch. Tell him we shoot him. Me choose it. Well, me say me dog them a drive fast. For the blood clot they are dance. Jamie, give me something different now, man. Tell the pussy them pull up. The markets are shabba winner. Have a Christian galaxy. We want to see a like bad Barbie them. Well on. Hey, girl, take her liquor. Swear time because it's less for the villa more time. Girl, fears work for the killer. Work for the figures, them a copy, but me still have more. Hey, look how she at work, palm me love the first one. Fuck already, and she still a show. She do anything me want, she. Well on, who know that part here? What the pussy them? Me say the pussy them pull up. The markets me shove with no donuts. Have a Christian girl, and she. Well on there, well on. Them say time against us. Them say time against us. Big up here, Sumfest. Big up. I want to see if you don't know the bad juvie MP. I want to see if you don't know the mixtape. How do I want to go? Richard, even care who are Richard me. Richard.
Welcome to DuttyBerryShow's coverage of Reggae Sumfest 2023, brought to you by Grand Palladium Jamaica Resort and Spa.
All right, so DuttyBerry here with Pablo YG. What brings you here to Sumfest and how are you enjoying the vibe?
Hard work bring me a Sumfest.
Yeah.
Now enjoy vibe like fully.
Yeah.
Like people them enjoy themselves and I enjoy myself. Say I don't know, say feel great for the Sumfest and it's a great vibe.
You've been, you're pretty much still a new artist, but you've managed to have such a dedicated and loyal fan base. What do you think is about like Pablo YG and make you stand out and make the people them really rock with you like that?
Guys, bad juvie have a meaning.
Yeah.
Bad juvie. As a man, it have a meaning. To be a bad juvie. Yeah. So that means a lot to his fan base.
Yeah.
Because as you know, if you are a Pablo YG fan, then you're automatically a bad juvie.
Were you worried to come here to Montego Bay given what happened recently in terms of like what won an Ocho with another artist or people that consider like your rival? Did you have any worry that maybe something could happen? Or you felt fully confident and secure on stage today?
Never worried. Never worried.
Oh.
Yo, me there more beer. I mean to big up all like bad people them roadside. Now yo, flanker. I mean say a bad juvie man. Yo, Johnny. Can you hear bad juvie you know say not good. Oh, that I run when they get a little. Now we find us and I'm like me a little. Tipping the clock, tip up and a razor. Catch them and celebrate like Post Malone. Jack a well load and a quarter. Party have to go race like car. One Danny. Yo, Johnny, give me something there. Hold on there. Senselessly, I've done the chopstick. Roll up and see man, touch the hand here. Papa and see, and them and touch the ball. My boy gun heavy. Yo, Johnny, I want to see all like bad people them at Sumfest. Let me see all like bad people them go so. What on there? 7.62, 5.56, 10.2, 6.ganti, what to be done, patient target, what at the big talk, funny.
As an artist right now, like on a scale of 1 to 10, how easy it is to just like get a girl where you are? As Pablo YG right now, is it taking a lot of effort, or is it just like you just need to show up?
Yeah, basically. But you say a girl where you want still.
Yeah.
You see me? I not really want every girl. You see me?
Oh.
Yeah, so if you it's a case as if you pull up on a girl want you, and I really want girl where you want.
So you become the
girl where want you.
Oh.
Yeah, it depends.
Okay. Would we get a collaboration with any particular female artist or you have on your radar right now that you just feel like would have put together like a good mix?
I just drop one collab with one female artist, Maya.
Yeah, Moyann, I'm a good friend, you know. Good like that, yeah.
Is it so you can listen to that one day.
Would we expect like a Pablo the YG like a dancing song? You think that is something that you could have tried, yeah, like with the TikTok type of dancing something too?
Every song, you see me, in a step I say, it's a creativity.
Yeah.
You see me, you never know what next.
Yeah.
You see me, because I don't know creativity.
Yeah.
And we're creative, so we can create something.
Just off the top like that?
Tomorrow, you see me?
So, while you're looking at the camera right there, so, and talk to your fans, them, your supporters, them, for the people who look up to you and actually say, you know what, I want to go for my dreams, I want to go take full charge with the music industry and do my thing just like you. What you would have tell the youth them out there, so right now, just look at the camera and talk to them.
Yeah, someone, you don't know, Pablo YG, the on the ground, so you know, say a bad juvie. Bad juvie, them know we go at work already.
Yeah.
I go for that.
Yeah.
If I dream, go for that.
Yeah.
Is it right away, no matter age neither. Yes, I know bad juvie go at work already, I not have to tell you.
That is right.
Yes, as I tell you, you don't know.
Will we ever see a day where Pablo YG is on TikTok tapping and rosing?
Tapping what?
Will we ever see a day where we are going to be on TikTok as I taps and roses?
What's that?
Yeah. You don't know how people on TikTok are big money?
Big money?
Yeah, on TikTok. The taps and roses thing.
No, you're not going to ever see me on big money still, but you might be seeing me. If I live thing you talk, might go on live on TikTok match one day, but I'm not going to beg no money on it.
Oh, okay, and your style that. Okay,
I'm not going to beg no money on TikTok.
Okay, respect that.
If you see me there on TikTok live, I just from a fan.
To interact with them and stuff and all that vibe.
Yeah, and for beg money.
Alright, so big up yourself now. Anything that you any show that you're going to be performing at soon or you want the people to know about? Like an upcoming performance or you have?
Yeah, I perform more.
Oh, more.
We're going to there Canada soon.
Oh, tour. Okay, big up yourself now.
Yeah.
Thanks man, bless. Alright, boss.
Start you over again, Tommy, again. Sumfest. I won't leave a time I try love. But every time I try that Sumfest, I better I love myself. And I'm about to be there on the ground, you know what I love now, Sumfest. I'm money we love now, that's why we sing them song. Yo, tell me. My child love and in a waiting. My heart top search come ahead. Me papa beg for this. Call me nothing, I love where the world is. Me want leave earth on a spaceship. Honestly feel fear of the worst. Me soul got time pain with. Me thoughts well dark and scary. Yo, call me come and call for the playlist. Feel like I'm a wife to this. One on there. Slow it down again, Jummy. Come on to people them here with me I say. You see me I say? I want over here so here with me I say. So me have to slow it down again. Who know that one here? I know one love, love not start out. Walk out, never tell us say you can't go. Out at school, no find out if you talk to. In a me zone, if I not spin as me now go. Me feel that. I walk one sunset.
Welcome to Dutty Berry Show's coverage of Reggae Sumfest 2023, brought to you by Grand Palladium Jamaica Resort and Spa